Okay. So this is going to be a little bit goofy, but and Joe may come in here partway through. So I'm just so we filter all our milk through this little filter cloth. It's just a little, I don't know what you want to call it, just a little paper filter. This isn't the ideal filter holder, so we're going to get a better one. But filter it through this first, and that catches any little clumps of anything that might be in there. And that's the way that we know how clean this milking was. And then we're going to run it through this cream separator. So you can feel free to grab the phone, Joe, to make sure it's kind of catching the good video if you want. Just grab the whole stand and everything. And can you see into the filter, hon? Like,
yep.
So people can see it?
Yep. Can I zoom with this?
Yeah, you can just zoom, yeah. And Lena had a pretty big milking this morning. I don't know how heavy, or I don't know how much it was, but it was heavy as sin.
So how come we're cream separating?
What's that?
How come we're cream separating?
I just thought if we had some cream today, then maybe we could have the little... Oh, that's all right. We could have the little Amazon butter churn going.
Oh, okay.
If you wanted. Well, if there was anyone here.
You're getting your exercises.
Oh my, so that's
a lot.
That was a lot. So, and there, I don't know if you can see it, but there, and it just come out towards the end of the can, because it was like a heavy piece of something, and what it is, you don't know.
A little fleck of something.
And it could be poop, could be whatever, Lord knows. So, anyways, but you can see the rest of that filter looks pretty clean, so I'm just going to set this in here. I'll set this over out of the way. Now, just going to give this a little bit of a wind up. So the way this works is that I give this a pull, and when it's going fast enough, a bell will ding. There's the bell, and then I just have a on-off switch back here. Yeah, we may have to hold that up until... but I'm just letting it up to speed first.
Okay.
And when I think it's up to speed, probably is. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this handle, and I'm going to let it come in here until these are floating.
So what's for?
There's a little float right inside
there.
there.
There it goes. Have you started turning that little valve yet? I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, I am. It's just that's what, the little valve is what's letting the milk come out of here.
Sorry. That's cool.
When it's fully pointed here, then it's...
Wait,
yeah, oh, there we go. Okay. And that looks good because if you look at that stream, you can see it's fairly thin looking.
Yeah.
Okay, and here's the cream part.
Look at all that lovely cream.
And that looks like cream to me.
Yeah. Did you just slow that down some?
I did. And I think this is what I think what we've done in the past that was maybe a little bit wrong was try to go too fast because our other cream separator used to leak.
Oh, okay.
So now, I don't know where we're going to find the right spot. Because if you go too fast, I think it's not separating cream as much.
Okay, I don't remember seeing that spot on our old one. Like
This?
where you can see it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Yeah. So, I don't know if you can, are you seeing the two streams?
Yeah.
And you can see that this one kind of has like a, oh darn it. This one's leaking too. It's leaking from out of here. Oh, it wasn't pushed in. It might be okay now.
Trial and error. That's what we do. There's a whole lot of error with us. That's a lot of cream that's coming out.
Yeah. But when we've done it in the past, I believe we went too fast.
Okay.
So I'm going to grab one of them claws from behind you to get that cleaned up off the floor.
Yep. Oh.
I've already got this in the bar.
Well, that's really leaking.
Yeah. But I mean, if you look at those two streams, they do look quite a bit different, really. So if you see how that's kind of, see how it's kind of turning in there, that means it's up and floating. So that kind of self-regulates its own speed
Okay.
a little bit. And what I'm just more looking at is I want to see that this is a thicker,
Which it is.
yeah.
Do you remember what the ratio was for the short ones and how much it
4% or something.
Do you remember what jerseys were or are?
Jerseys are a little more.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to remember how much it was.
Yeah.
But I think the short ones have more than Holsteins. Do they not? Or I don't know.
I think
I
so,
just
but
don't
I
know.
really don't know.
We'll have to look that up. My camera work is kind of shoddy. So, was that up to where that kind of line is?
Yeah,
that you kind
it
of
is,
see?
yeah.
That's quite a bit.
Yeah, I feel like it's still letting more milk through there
Yeah, I
than
was
it
just
should.
going to say that. Right now it looks like it is. When you first started it didn't.
So I just turned that back just a wee little bit.
So, which way were you turning that? Like to...
To slow it is this way.
Okay.
When that's pointed here, it's wide open.
Oh, okay.
And I think wide open is just not the answer.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks better now.
As long as this has still got kind of a skim milk kind of look to it. The only thing is now it's kind of starving it a little bit. So I don't know. This is something we're going to learn better.
Yeah.
What do you
It's
think?
in there. Well, at least it's not as loud as the grape milk.
Yeah. I still think that there is definitely much more cream here than
Yeah.
on the other side.
So, probably like 3 cups of cream so far.
Oh yeah.
And
Yeah.
then a whole lot of skim milk.
Yeah. So
But we can still drink that if we want it.
that's why I did it. We're gonna still take that and jar it and drink it.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then it will also let us know how efficient the cream separator was. Because if we jar this stuff and then we still get much that comes up to the top, then we'll know if we did a good job.
Okay.
That's not a fleck of anything. That was a bubble that was just running down there.
I didn't see that. Was trying to do enough on here.
We're done running here now. Huh?
It looks like froth. Froth.
Yeah. And it is.
So, where that's leaking, does that mean like a new seal or gasket
No,
or
I don't think so.
something?
I think it kind of stopped. I think when I reached in, it wasn't set down in proper. I
know,
never
but
checked it.
it's leaking here too here.
Yeah, but I still think it's the same thing. I probably didn't
Oh,
seat
okay,
the whole thing
okay.
down quite properly. And every time you like move one of these, it lifts
Right.
up. So we'll see, but I suspect it's probably okay. All right, take that noisy rig off. And I would say that just outwardly, I would say it seems like a good amount because the ratio, just physically looking at the two, aligns with what I would think it is. Because what did I figure the other day? That if we did
Don't know what you figured.
35 liters, that it would amount to like 1.5 liters of cream.
Holy moly!
Well, I mean, it's only 4%, right?
Yeah.
So.
You just forget how much it takes to make any amount of cream.
Yeah, but I mean, 4%. If you had 100 liters,
Yeah.
that means you're only getting 4 of its cream.
Yeah.
So, so looking at those two ratios, I would say if anything, we still have a little too much milk in the cream, but not by a huge amount. Like I wouldn't think.
Oh. So that took 11 minutes.
Okay, well there you
Roughly.
go. That's not bad.
So.
And now what we need to do is we will have to set another dish underneath of this guy.
Mm-hmm. To catch the.
Well, just whatever, and then we're gonna run some hot water through the machine.
Isn't it supposed to be cold first, then the hot? Isn't that what?
Yep, sure, we can do that. Doesn't matter.
I don't know.
Yeah, but either way, we got to run a little bit of.
Oh yeah. To clean it.
Just to clean it, and then we still have to take it all apart and clean it.
Yes.
But that'll at least flush it, air
Yeah.
quotes. So, all right. Well, we're gonna let you go. See ya.